Hello guys, friends. We are now at Chinese buffet
Yun yung intro ni Papa.
in Chester. Look at that.
Intro niya, hello girls, friends.
Chinese buffet. Sweet and sour corn soup. Yeah.
Yun, intro niya. Hello, Pinoybritfood.
Look at that. That's Madam Sharin. New nurses here. And Madam Cathy. Madam Cathy. New nurses in Chester, UK. Baka maraming manood nito. Mapagpirahan natin. Say hi, Madam JJ and Madam Cathy. Hello. They are very shy. Very shy, yeah. Ano lang short, reel lang ito short. Kasi kahit na short, mamonetize pa rin ni YouTube. Naririnig lang yung sinasabi ko. Sorry guys, I speak in our language, yeah. But you can just ask Google what it means. By the way, this is the first time I show my face. This is PinoybritOFW.
Wow, so handsome.
Yeah. Yeah, that's me. You see, look, if you don't have GoPro and stabilizer, you do like that. Now, the other side of this Chinese restaurant in Chester. We don't know the name actually. What's the name?
The name?
Slow boat. Sorry.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah, I remember. The name of this restaurant here is Slow Boat Chinese in the corner of the canal or the river area. And this is their all-you-can-eat banquet or bangki? Bangkita.
Hinaan mo na yung kasi. Parang Pinoy ng bangketa.
Bangkita na pagkain. Yun, that's their time of opening. Sunday 1 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Monday to Thursday 5 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. And it's £18.50 per person. Minimum of 2 adults. Yeah. That's their appetizers, main course, and combination after dessert. Everything. Only £18.50. Eat all you can. If this food here is not enough for you, you can order more. Eat all you can, isn't it? And they have also hand sanitizer. Yeah, if any Filipino who would like to come here in Chester and you want eat all you can come here at Slow Boat Chester. Very easy to find. It's near the center of the town. Okay. So guys, sorry to tell you I'm very hungry. I have to leave you now. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy my video. You know that all my revenues are used to help street people in the Philippines. You know that. I'm not asking you for any money, but I am asking you just to subscribe and watch my boring video. Thank you.